Hello students, welcome to this online lecture of English. Student, in last video lecture we studied the history of novel. In today's lecture we are going to learn remaining part of the history of novel. So in today's lecture we will discuss on elements of novel or novelia and types of novel. Because this is very important part of history of novel which accumulated by in board exam also. So question will definitely ask on that basis only. In last lecture I explained the whole history of novel. So let start today's sessions of elements of novel or novelia. According to the novel, there are 6 elements is required for a novel or novelia. The elements such as theme means central idea, plot, then characters, setting, conflict, language or style. So these are the 6 important elements of novel or novelias. All these factions may be related to one another in the work of an author in any novel. So let's see, first element of the novel is theme. Theme, it is familiar word. Dear students, we studied poetry section, prose section. After that the question arises in our, what is the theme of the poem, or what is the theme of central idea of the poem or the prose. So what is the theme exactly? It is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events. Second important is that the plot. Plot is accumulated by the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is credited by the conflict, either internal or external. Plot may be simple, complex, or consisting of interweaving of many subplots. The novel is propelled through its 100 or 1,000 of page by a device known as the story or plot. This is frequently conceived by the novelist is very simple terms, a mere nucleus jointing on an old envelope. For example of the plot in Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol, which is written in 1843, might have been conceived as misanthrope is reformed to the certain magical visitations on a Christmas Eve, or Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, which is written in 1813, as a young couple destined to be married have first to overcome the berries of and the Pride and Prejudice, the Fyodor Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment in which is written in 1866, as a young man commits a crime and is slowly pursued in the direction of his punishments. So this is the actual meaning of the plot. I'll explain here with examples. The examples of Shakespeare is a reminder that the ability to create an interesting plot or even any plot at all is not prerequisites of the imaginative writer's craft. At the lowest level of fiction, plot need to be no more than a string of stock devices for arousing stock response of concern and excitement in the reader. After plot, next important character elements is that the characters. Characterizations is related to the plot, as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of the characters. According to the characters, the inferior novelist tends to be preoccupied with plot. To the superior novelist, the convolutions of the human personality under the stress of artfully selected experiences as the chief fascination. Without character, it was once accepted that there could be no fiction. In the period since World War II, the creators of what has come to be called the French Nouveau Roman, means new novel, have deliberately demonized the human elements, claiming the right of objects and process to the writers and the readers' prior attention. Thus, the book term Chaucer's Italy thinks it make the furniture of a room more important than the human incumbents. This may be seen as the transitory protest against a long predominance of characters in the novel, but even on the popular level, there have been indications that readers can be held by things as much by the characters. The characters such as Henry James could be vague. The Ambassadors, which is written in 1903, and the provenance of his chief characters' wealth. If he wrote today, he would have to give his readers to tour around the factory or estates. Another example, such as the creators of characters pre-human, such as those William Goldwyn's Inheritors, which is written in 1955. Animal, as in Henry Williamson's Tarka author, which is written in 1927, or the Jack London's Call of the Wild, which is written in 1903. These are the best examples of the novel characters. After characters, next important elements of the novel is that setting. Setting means what? Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes place, period, time, climate or weather and lifestyle. Plot and characters are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. According to the setting, the makeup and behavior of the fictional characters depend on their environment quite as much as on the personal dynamic with which their author endows them. Indeed, in Emile Zola, environment is of overriding importance, since he believed it determined characters. The entire action of a novel is frequently determined by the local in which it is set. Thus, the Gustavus Flaubert's Madame Bovary, which is written in 1857, could hardly have been placed in a Paris, because the tragic life and the death of the heroine have a great deal to do with the circumscriptions of her provincial milieu. But it sometimes happens that the main local of the novel assumes an importance in the reader's imagination comparable to that of the characters, and it somehow separable from them. Wessex in a giant brooding presence in Thomas Hardy's novel. whose human characters would probably not behave much differently if they were set in some other rural locality of England. The popularity of Sir Walter Scott's Waverley novels is due to, in part, of their evocation of romantic Scotland. Setting may be the prime consideration of some readers who can be drawn to Conrad because he depicts life at sea or in the East Indies. They may be less interested in the complexity of human relationship that the presents. The original novel is recognized a sequence of 4 novels that Hugh Walpole's began the Rogue Harris, which is written in 1930, was the result of the desire to do homage to the part of Cumberland in England where he had elected to live. The great Yukon Pathawa cycle of William Faulkner's, a classic of 20th century American literature set in an imaginary countries of Mississippi, belongs to the categories as much as the once popular confections about that were written about the same time by the English novelist Sheila Kyle Smith. The setting of the novel is not always drawn from the real life local. The literary artist sometimes prides himself on his ability to create the totality of his fiction. The setting as well as the characters and their action in the Russian expertise Vladimir Novel's Ada, which is written in 1969, there is the entirely new space-time continuum, and the English scholar J.R.R. Tolkien in his Lord of the Rings, which is written in 1954 and 55, created an alternative world that appeals greatly to many who are dissatisfied with the existence one. The world of interplanetary travel was imaginatively created long before the first moon landing. The properties of the future envisioned by H.G. Wells novels or the Aldous Huxley in Brave New World, written in 1932, are still recognized in an age that those authors did not live to see. The compositions of plays can be magical fictional grief. After setting, next important is that the conflict. Conflict means what? The struggle between the opposite forces in the story is called the conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. After conflict, next one, conflict always shown between the main characters or the major characters, such as antagonist and protagonist. Different nature they have to presented. It is the conflict. After conflict, next important elements of the novel, it is language or style. The language and technique used by the author of the narration of the course of events is known as the style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices to make the narrative effective. All these factors decided the texture of the narration and create an impact of the readers. After elements of the novel, the next important part is that the types of novel. Dear students, there are different types of the novels, such as a realistic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, autobiographical novel, allegorical novel, utopian or the dystopian novel, psychological novel, stream of conscious novel, and the Bildungsroman novel. So let's see first one, a realistic novel. A realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. Sometimes this is also called a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex character with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. Social class means like upper class, lower class, middle class, as per the social condition and the tradition. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo plausible and everyday experience. Second important types of the novel is picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or the disreputable person in a episode form. Next one, historical novel. Historical novel is the novel set on the period earlier than of the writing. For example, the in here ancient age, different types of the novel written on the base of the history during the time of First World War and Second World War, and after Second World War, Cold War also happened. So on that basis, some important novel also written. After historical novel, next important is that the epistolary novel. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistula, which means a letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents a narrative through a series or the correspondent or the other document, although letters one and most common basis for epistolary novel. Diary entries are also popular form of this type. Next one, Gothic novel. The novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural doom, death or the decay or the haunted buildings are called the Gothic novel. Next one, autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the place and the names of the characters, or even may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first person narration. Next one, allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning on it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. Next one, utopian or the dystopian novel. Utopia is an imaginary community or the society possessing the ideal qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction and speculative fiction. After that, next one is that psychological novel. According to psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of the protagonist or even the other characters as much as the external factors. Next one, the stream of consciousness novel. Stream of consciousness is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principle of Psychology, which is written in 1890. It means the flow of the thoughts, incidents in the plot, are the sequence of their occurrence. The novelist narrates them as they enter the mind of the characters. Next one is that Bildungsroman novel. Bildungsroman novel, it is the German word Bildungsroman, indicates growth. The fictional biography or autobiography is concerned with the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit, and characters from their childhood to adulthood. In the first half of the 20th century, a cult of pulp magazines became popular in which fantastic fiction for the general entertainment of the masses was printed on the cheap pulp paper. The pulp fiction era provided a building ground for the detective novels and science fictions. Science fiction is a genre or speculative fiction dealing with imaginative concepts such as futuristic setting, futuristic science and technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universe, and extraterrestrial life. Science fiction often explores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, which is written in 1823, is considered the first novel based on science and technology. The genre flourished in the second half of the 19th century. Detective fiction is a subgenre of crime fictions and mystery fiction in which an investigator or a detective, either professional or amateur, investigates a crime, often a murder. So dear students, in this way within these two lectures we studied the history of novel. All important all terms which is given in the text are important for exams. Definitely 4 marks question will ask on this topic, so you have to read carefully. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can WhatsApp me and you can call me. Thank you.